Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what outputs your piano provides and why that matters. Line outputs give cleaner signal, headphones are level limited, and MIDI sends note data only. Next, pick the correct cable. Use 1/4 TRS for balanced line, TS for instrument, RCA for some digital pianos, or MIDI DIN when sending MIDI. Once done, connect cables but keep volumes low. Make sure the audio interface is powered or USB connected, so the computer can recognize it when you proceed. You now plug the piano output into the correct interface jack, choosing instrument input for unbalanced 1/4 or line input for balanced signals. Then slowly raise the interface gain while playing to get a strong signal without red clipping. Use the meters to guide you. After that, open your DAW or system audio settings and select the interface as the input device. Set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Once configured, enable input monitoring and create an ARM track to test sound routing. You can now record a short take and listen critically. Check that the recorded waveform looks healthy and that monitoring latency is tolerable. Make incremental adjustments to gain, buffer size, and monitoring mix to balance playback and live input. Once satisfied, save your session and note which input and cable you used for next time. If you get no sound, first recheck cable seating, then confirm interface drivers are installed and selected in the OS. And finally, verify MIDI channel and local control settings if using a digital piano.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.